Hi, I'm Ted. I'm a third year LEP student studying lighting.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm also a third year LEP student and I'm studying lighting.
We're using the grandMA3 Compact XT to run our light show. It's handling all our timecode inputs, RSC inputs from games and triggering cool lighting stuff.
So for our final project, we're putting on an esports event called Go Dark. MA is sort of at the centre of it, so it's running all of our show control elements, so all of the OSC triggers that come out of the game are being pumped into this, which is then triggering our lighting. It's also running our opening ceremony and our closing ceremony, all done over timecode. And yeah, it's sort of the beating heart of our show.
Yeah, we've been spending the past couple of weeks pre-programming all our different songs so that hopefully we don't have to do much on the day. We can just let it run and watch it.
To be able to use MA on our projects is great. It is industry standard. If you look at any festival stage, there will be one of these or a bigger one. The majority of tours nowadays that come through here at Production Park are all running on MA. Like being able to learn it at a university level is an invaluable skill for progression in this industry.